Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This video, first of all, my name is Amirul Hakim bin Badarudin. So in this video, I will explain about introduction for the domestic wiring, components of house wiring system, and the third one is floor plan. So for the introduction, domestic wiring is providing electrical power for light, fans, and domestic appliances. And when we performing domestic wiring, we must follow safety precautions. So wiring done in some domestic premise such as shop, house, and others. So next we move to component of house wiring system. First, electric fuse. So electric fuse is a electronic devices, and the function of electric fuse is to prevent damage to an electrical circuit when excessive current flows through the circuit. The second one is switch. The main function of switch is to open and close an electric circuit. And the third one is earthing. Earthing is a system that connects specific parts of that installation with the earth conductive surface. And the main function of earthing system is for safety and functional purpose. So for 3-pin is a device that have 3 pins or metal projection, and the function of 3-pin plug is to fit into a socket. So next, lastly, a socket is a device that can put on a wall, and you can connect electrical equipment to the power supply. So this is my floor plan, and I draw this floor plan by using Microsoft Word. So my floor plan only have 1 bedroom, 1 hall, 1 kitchen, and 1 toilet. So that's all from me. Thank you very much for listening.
Now, I explain about installation, wiring testing, and precaution safety. Number 4. Installation and wiring testing. The wires are installed in 4 steps. Step 1. Laying the electrical conduit in the slab. Tips number 1. It will be ideal to follow the color coding for conduit for electrical wires and data such as LAN and telephone wire. Use grey PVC pipe for data, black PVC pipe for electrical wire, and PVC solvent for joining the accessory. Check the wall drop carefully and determine the concrete thickness. Take special precaution while concrete the slab. Step 2. Laying the electrical conduit in the wall. Do the wall chasing with wall cutters only, as this will avoid damage to the wall. Fix the electrical conduit with the approved clip to ensure the proper routing and wiring. Once the conduit, box and accessory are fixed, fill the chisel surface with cement mortar and check mesh wrap around the conduit. Step 3. Installation of switchboard backbox. Fix the concealed switchboard properly in level based on the architected design, for example, distance and height from the finished floor level. Ensure the gap between the concealed switchboard is uniform. Maintain the same uniformly across all the installation. Step 4. Installation of distribution board. Conceal the distribution board before the plaster work. Fix the DB box in a proper line and label the recess provided in the brickwork. Ready the box as per the design, such as fixing the number of conduit entering the distribution box. Place the PVC pipes from the given in 3 holes only. Types of wiring. First, surface wiring. Second, PVC wiring. Third, conduit wiring. 4. Concealed wiring. For example, you can see picture in the video. Now, wiring testing. Type of wiring testing separate into 3, which is continuity test, residual current device, RCD test, polarity test. Continuity test. Continuity is the presence of complete path for current flow. A circuit is complete when its switch is closed. A multimeter test mode can be used to the switch, fuses, electrical connection, conductor, and other components. A good fuse, for example, should have continuity. The beep and audible indicator permit technician to focus on testing procedure without looking at the multimeter display. Residual current device (RCD) test. There are 6 steps. Plug a small lamp into a power point and make sure it works. Second, make sure the electricity is connected to the properly. Third, turn off all electronic equipment. Then, push the test button. After pushing, the test button on RCDs have turned off. Check the small lamp is now off. When finished testing, turn the RCD back and check that the lamp works when plugged into the power point. Polarity test. There are 3 step live testing for polarity. Point number 1, test between line and neutral terminal. Point number 2, test between line and earth terminal. Point number 3, test between neutral and earth terminals. Now, number 5, precaution and safety. Safety is very important. Safety must not be compromised, and the some ground rules need to be followed first. The safety requirement must be followed while working in everywhere, and always remember, while not using personal protective equipment (PPE) do not work. Personal safety. Always using suitable gloves, clothes, and shoes. Make sure shoes is safety boot. Never handle electrical equipment when hands, feet, or body are wet or perspiring, or when standing on wet floor. Safety at workplace. Aware about surrounding. Wear the right safety equipment. Ensure that there are no defects in the power cord or plug of the electrical equipment. For lastly, remember, safety first.